Welcome. Today, let's walk through the latest way to prevent members from sending videos in your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC. If you're an admin and want to keep your group focused and clutter-free, this update gives you more control than ever. Here's how to set it up step by step. First, open your web browser and head to web.telegram.org. Log into your Telegram account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look through your chat list and open the group where you're the admin and want to manage permissions. Now, at the top of the group chat window, click on the group's name. This will open the group details page where you can see information about your group and its members. Look for the edit icon, usually a small pencil or similar symbol, near the group's name and click on it. Inside the group editing menu, you'll see several options. Find and click on the permissions section. This is where you control what members can and cannot do in your group. Scroll down until you find the Send Media option. Click on it to expand the available media permissions. Here, you'll see the options specifically for sending videos. To prevent group members from sending videos, simply disable the Send Videos option by toggling it off. Once you've made this change, don't forget to click Save to apply the new permissions. With this setting turned off, members will no longer be able to share videos in your group, keeping conversations more organized and on topic. This new update is perfect for admins who want to maintain a focused environment or reduce unnecessary media clutter. You can always revisit these settings if you want to adjust permissions in the future. That's it. You've just learned how to prevent members from sending videos in your Telegram group using Telegram Web on your PC. For more practical tips on managing your Telegram groups, stay tuned and keep your community running smoothly.